Greetings, my name is Elf King. Welcome back to my channel. So, bronze mode was an amusing warm-up, but a true predator requires a real challenge. I am back on the ANVIL trial, and today we hunt the epic medal on titanium difficulty. Time is ticking. Let's see if this beast can actually make me feel alive. Look at you. Faster, stronger, desperate to crush me. Predictable. Beautiful, isn't it? My twin axes will be your undoing. You think your titanium armor makes you safe from me? I am the nightmare in this room. You are just flesh waiting to be neatly carved. Oh, adorable. You think you are the nightmare in this room? Oh. I am the thing that should actually make you afraid of the dark. Scream for me. Oh, trying to keep your vulnerable spots off reach. How cute. Go ahead, take my health, drink it. I will gladly sacrifice my own blood if it means tearing those fragile targets apart. Pain is just fuel. I love watching the panic set in when you realize your defenses means absolutely nothing to me. And now, I consume what is left of your miserable existence. The final curtain. Sleep. The epic medal on titanium. Flawless, fast, ruthless. There is a distinct, a dark joy in showing a monster that I am far more terrifying than anything you could ever dream of. Drop a comment if you possess the stomach for this level of beautiful cruelty. Smash that like button into the abyss. Subscribe to this dark corner of the internet. And I shall see you later if you survive the night.